Safety Toolbox Talk number 325. SOP for hot work. 1. Purpose. The purpose of this SOP is to outline the necessary safety procedures to be followed during hot work operations to prevent accidents, injuries, and damage to property and equipment. 2. Scope. This procedure applies to all employees and contractors who perform hot work, including but not limited to welding, cutting, grinding, soldering, and any other activity that produces heat or sparks. 3. Definitions. Hot work. Any work that involves the use of open flame, sparks, or heat that could potentially ignite flammable materials. Permit. A written document authorizing hot work to take place. 4. Responsibilities. Hot work supervisor, responsible for ensuring hot work permits are issued, monitoring compliance with this SOP, and providing proper safety equipment. Hot work operator, responsible for following this SOP, wearing personal protective equipment, PPE, and ensuring that all fire hazards are eliminated. Safety officer, responsible for ensuring safety audits, inspections, and ensuring that this SOP is being adhered to. 5. General safety requirements. All hot work must be approved through a written hot work permit, which should be authorized by the hot work supervisor. The work area must be cleared of all flammable materials or substances. Fire extinguishing equipment, such as fire extinguishers, fire blankets, or hoses, must be readily available in the work area. The work area should be monitored for at least 30 minutes after the hot work is completed to ensure no smoldering fires are present. Six. Hot work permit process. Pre-work requirements. Complete a hot work permit application. Identify and assess the hazards associated with the work. Verify the presence and readiness of firefighting equipment. Ensure all personnel are informed of the hazards and safety procedures. Issuance of hot work permit. A permit is issued once all safety checks have been confirmed. The permit should detail the specific work being done, the location, and the safety measures required. Post-work inspection. After completing the hot work, the area should be inspected to ensure no fire hazards remain. The supervisor verifies that the area is clear of smoke, hot spots, and any other signs of potential fire. 7. Personal protective equipment, PPE, safety goggles or face shields. Flame-resistant clothing. Heat-resistant gloves. Hearing protection, if required. Welding helmets for welding operations. 8. Hot work area setup. Set up fire-resistant blankets or shields to protect surrounding areas from sparks and heat. Ensure ventilation is adequate to remove fumes and gases produced during the hot work. Establish a designated hot work zone with warning signs and barriers, where unauthorized personnel are not allowed. Nine. Emergency procedures. Ensure that personnel are trained in the use of fire extinguishers and emergency response. Have a clear evacuation plan in case of an emergency. Report any fires or near misses immediately to the supervisor. 10. Review and close out. The hot work permit should be closed out after the job is completed, confirming that all safety measures were followed and that no fire hazards remain. Record keeping. Keep a log of all issued hot work permits for at least 1 year. Maintain records of any incidents, inspections, or fire safety audits. Thank you.